So in this problem, we need to show that the points A, B, and C are collinear. Okay, let us begin. Now here we have the point A, B, and C. Now the coordinates of these 3 points are given to us. So what we'll do, we'll consider some point O, which is going to be the origin of some coordinate system. And with respect to this origin, we can define the position vector of point A. So here, let's say position vector of point A, which is defined as OA vector, is represented by 6 I cap, because 6 is going to correspond to x coordinate. We have 6 times the unit vector along x direction added to the y component, so that's -7. We have -7 times the unit vector along y direction added to -1, which is the z component, multiplied to k cap. So k cap is going to be the vector along unit vector along z direction. Similarly, we can define the position vector of point B, so that's going to be 2 I cap plus -3 j cap plus k cap. And then we have OC vector. The OC vector, that's going to be equals to 4 I cap minus 5 j cap, and we have 0 k cap. Now, in order to show that A, B, C are collinear, what we'll do, we'll try to find out the vector AB and vector BC. So let's try to find out the vector AB. AB vector is defined as OB vector minus OA vector, the position vector of the final point minus the position vector of the initial point of AB. So this will be equals to, we have 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. That's the vector OB. And from here, we're subtracting OA vector. That's 6 I cap minus 7 j cap minus k cap. This is going to give us, so 2 I cap minus 6 I cap will be -4 I cap. Then we have -3 j cap, negative of -7, that means we have +7 j cap. So this is going to be +4 j cap. And then we have k cap minus -k cap. That's going to give us 2 times k cap. So this is our vector AB. So let's label this as number 1. Then we can find out the vector BC. The BC vector is going to be OC vector minus OB vector. What is OC vector? That's 4 times I cap minus 5 times j cap plus 0 k cap. And from here, we are subtracting OB vector. So that's 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap. So 4 I cap minus 2 I cap, that's going to be +2 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 3 j cap, so that's -2 j cap minus k cap. So we have BC vector. Now also BC vector can be expressed as, let's say if we take -12 as the common factor, then we are going to get -4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. Now, the reason why I'm writing in this particular fashion, because what we have here is BC vector equals to -12 times AB vector, or we can say that BC vector equals lambda times AB vector, where lambda is some scalar with a value equals to -1/2. And whenever we have a vector expressed in this particular format, this simply tells us that the 3 points A, B, and C must be collinear. So we have successfully verified that A, B, and C are indeed collinear. Hence proved.